website for teachers to create a more engaging classroom.
Hello everyone. If you're a teacher or a practice teacher, pwede sa'yo ang website na ito. Okay, this is a website that is a must use this 2026. And look at this. Ang kagandahan din dito is sa website na to, pwede mong i-customize ang mga questions. Okay, gaya dito. Okay, so yan, choose questions. Oh, yan, my questions. Dito, may examples na ako ng questions na nilagay. And if you want to put questions, you can put questions dito. I-click na lang ninyo yung create questions. And dito, may lalabas na multiple choice or ano yung isa? Multiple choice and list. And then, okay, multiple choice. There, you can put the title of the multiple choice questions kung ano yung topic mo. Oh, for me, assertion and counterclaim. For grade 7. Okay. Then you put the grade level, grade 7. The subject, which is language arts, English. Subcategory, you can choose subcategory, but it's your option. Then you save. Pagkatapos nun, you can now add your questions. Okay. Dito, i-type mo yung questions. For example, this is also called claim. Yun. Claim. And then, sa part na to, you will put here the correct answer. And then, the wrong answer. Okay, then you save. Okay, if you want to see it, you can click the preview. Okay. Yun. Okay, play. If you want to play, you can choose a game that you want to play. For example, first, I will choose yon. Build a monster. Yon. Okay, play and then start. Okay, for example, if you want to give the monster a cloth, you can choose the cloth. Okay, so your student will answer the question. Okay, and the cloth will be given to the monster. Okay, ganun lang yon. Okay, dito isang question lang yung nilagay ko, kaya paulit-ulit lang siya. Okay, that's it. Dito naman, let's try feed the shark. Okay, play and start. Okay, this is good for pwede to sa mga students grade 7 and below kasi it can be very very engaging. Okay, ganun yun. Ganun pag wrong yung answer. Red and then green. Okay, let's try another game ulit. This one sa baba. Quiz wheel game. Okay, play and start. Okay, dito naman is yung website mismo ang pipili ng group na mag-answer. Okay, group 4. And then, It's a wheel. It will spin and then yung number na lalabas o number 7 yun yung napili and then mag-answer yung group 4 and then if correct yung answer nila is pupunta sa kanila yung 7 points. Yun lang yun. Yun, ulit. Yung mag-answer is group. Okay. Mapupunta yung 6 points sa group 5. Ganun lang yun. Okay. Pipili ulit tayo ng ibang game. Ito, last. Last games. Martipans Animal Race. Okay, play. Start. Okay. So, dito, pipili din yung yung website ng mag-answer. Kung group ng owl, ng frog, ng rabbit, o cat. Ganun. Okay. Yun, naka-answer na yung group ng cat. So, nag-advance na siya. Okay, so, yung unang lagpas sa line na yun yung group na mananalo. Okay, yun. You can choose other games there, but you have to subscribe. Tapno ma-unlock mo para ma-unlock mo yung ibang mga games. Okay, so yun lang. Thank you for watching.